Hi, this is Urvashi Chawla, and lately I've been getting few questions about how do I achieve my target, my goal, what I've set for myself. Now for some it could be how do I make my career, or how do I reach to the next level of my career. For some it could be as small as how do I wake up early tomorrow. Whatever your goal, whatever your set target is, there are three things that you need to consider. The first thing is the knowledge part, knowing the what to do part. Okay, you need to gather the right knowledge from the right source, from the right people, and understand what is it that you need to do to achieve your goal. Once you know what is it that you have to do, you come to how to do it part, the skills part. Now you need to gather the right skill in order to achieve whatever your goal is. But about these two, the what to do and how to do, comes want to do. Do you have the desire, the motivation to pursue what you really want? Now that is something that I cannot help you. Okay, you need to find your own motivation. It could be by setting a higher purpose, knowing why you're doing this, or it could be, you could listen to motivational videos or have a visionary board. Whatever works best for you, but you need to constantly and daily remind yourself what you want and that you will achieve it. You need to have that motivation within you to wake up daily and pursue the goal that you have. And once you have that motivation, you can then go out to figure out what is it that you can do to achieve your goal. Now this requires contacting the right people, understanding from them, and getting the authentic information of what can you do to achieve that goal. And then you move on to developing the right skills to achieve that goal. If you want to reach here, what are the steps that I need to take? What are the skills that will be required to climb each ladder or to climb each stairs? And for that, you need to understand the skill set which is so required to achieve your goal. The question is, do you have the balance of all three? Do you have the what to do part, how to do part, and very importantly, want to do part? Now I want to put a disclaimer over here that I'm not a motivational speaker and this is not a motivational speech. But since a lot of you want to achieve your goal, this is what you need, the balance of what to do, how to do, and want to do to achieve your goal. Now if you find that these videos are helping you grow, do like and subscribe and share it with all the people you think will grow after watching these videos. Thank you.